Hello. This is a mother's best wish. I am out here and the child I thought would never go away is finally going to see his first apartment. And I'm so excited. So enjoy this journey with me. And it's nice out here. This is a nice little community. I'm so happy. Oh my God. As they call it, empty nesting, I am empty nesting. Ow! Oh my God, this is so amazing. I want to cry. Okay, we are here. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Holy shit. Oh, nice. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Oh, nice. Look at the kitchen. First time apartment renter. Oh, super nice. Oh, look at the cabinets. Nice and clean. Brand new. Oh, nice. Oh, look at that big old refrigerator. Okay. Nice little table section. Oh, look at the bedroom. Look at the bathroom. Nice. Okay. This is how you do. First time home renter.
I love it.
This is the bedroom. Super. Ooh, 2 closets. I know that's right. Ew. For any parent who is getting rid of their grown children, this is a blessing. Hey, I am so super happy. OMG.
And I'm so happy that no.
Oh, yes, darling. Yes. This living room is awesome. Oh, this is super nice. Look at this space. Nice couch set. TV wall unit. You know he's going to be right. We about to hit the most famous people up. Bob's credit card time.
Take my jacket off.
About to spend that credit card up in here.